Hello and welcome to Gilany Leadership Academy. I am Arif Gilany, the founder and the author of the Ministry of Miracles, creating miracles daily. And we're just about to create some miracles in Mississauga, Ontario on Wednesday. Tomorrow, Wednesday, March 22nd is Nowruz, and New Year, which is Iranian New Year, and the women's uprising in Iran and all over the world has been exemplified by the past year. We want to celebrate that. We want to offer you opportunities for entrepreneurship for immigrants. We're launching the academy. I have four very special speakers that you will meet. Mr. Gary Grady, the purpose coach. He really puts life in perspective for us and to see how we can manage our daily thought processes. And then Shannon Green is going to talk about events and promotions and all of the exciting news that's coming up. My friend Ton Campbell is speaking, and I'm also launching the Gilany Leadership Academy online education platform, Entrepreneurship for Immigrants. Just if I was brand new to Canada, what resources would I need? Who would I need to connect with? What kind of education would I need to upgrade my skills to a Canadian standard at a record time? So we're going to talk about all of this. Cheers to you. Our coaching and programs are going to be available. You can sign up, and you have select camel wool products, because that's really entrepreneurship for immigrant by example. In reality, we do, we show, we go. So they say a leader is somebody who knows the way, shows the way, and goes the way. So we're here to help you, hold your hand, take you through this way called entrepreneurship, where you create circumstances that you can control, the circumstances of life. You know, the business of your life is to create options. And we have a lot of great options tomorrow for you. I look forward to seeing you. It's Mississauga Convention Center at 75 Derry Road. We've had events there. It's a fantastic facility. You're going to love it. Great people, wonderful energy, and this is your year. Make this the second start. If you missed out Christmas, New Year, Christian New Year, make this the second start, okay? Always have a 90-day gap here. This is what we teach, how you can align yourself with everything you want in 90 days, from Christmas to March 22nd, and then we go to June 22nd. So I have a plan, I have a program that I'm announcing, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there. The address, many will say, or that I didn't see this video, you're watching this video, and the address is 75 Derry Road, Mississauga, Ontario. It's right on 401, close to the airport, and 20 minutes from anywhere to make an impact that can change your life forever. See, we have put together, after 3 decades of research, the greatest books, products, and people together, and we're going to present them to you tomorrow at the Entrepreneurship for Immigrants with Bizcon. Great event waiting for you. Looking forward to seeing you. I've got a free tickets. I've got a few free tickets. If you want one, please message me. This is an offer for you to RSVP, to message me. You want a free ticket, otherwise you pay $49 at the door, or a table maybe for your business. There's going to be 80 different business groups in the room. 80 different cultures, different settings, different industries, different people. But mindset is growth. And that's why I'm so excited, looking forward to seeing you there. And this has been a Gilany Leadership Academy online video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one, and have a great day.